gathering colorful fireworks, blooming brilliant life. Hello everyone, welcome to Pero Discovery. Today, I want to share an old photo which was taken 21 years ago on October 30th, 2003. This is a group photo of the attendees of the International Fireworks Association when it was established in Luoyang. It is an honor to witness the establishment of IFA as one of its members.
Unfortunately, due to various reasons, IFA has terminated its operations in recent years. In September 2007, Mr. Liu Donghui, who was then the Secretary General of IFA, led more than 10 fireworks companies from Luoyang to attend the American Pyrotechnics Association annual conference and exhibition in Dallas, USA. I still remember what Mr. Liu said in his speech at the APA welcome dinner. He wished that all the gunpowder in the world would only be used to make fireworks and bring joy to people. In many parts of the world today, the struggle between conflict and peace has never ceased. The conflict between Russia, Ukraine, and the conflict between Palestine, Israel. These two protracted disputes not only brought heavy suffering to the local people, but also posed a serious threat to global peace and stability. War, the heaviest war in the human history, brings only pain, hatred, and destruction. We cannot help but ask, why should innocent people endure such suffering? Why can't the sunshine of peace shine on the earth? 61 years ago, to encourage people to fight for freedom and equality, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., the leader of the African American Civil Rights Movement, delivered the famous speech, "I Have a Dream," at the Lincoln Memorial Square in Washington. Today, I also have a dream about fireworks and peace. A dream of fireworks blooming in every corner of the world, becoming a bridge of friendship and peace between nations. People of different skin colors and languages gather together through fireworks, gazing up at the illuminated night sky and feeling the warmth and harmony that transcends border and races. Because I believe that wherever fireworks bloom, there is peace, joy, and hope.